Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming admin access and a recent backup. This prevents accidental lockouts. Once done, run the listing command to export all 162 system options to a file so you can work offline. Make sure to flag critical options, authentication, networking, storage, so they get priority. Then, compare the export to your standard baseline to see what is unset versus expected. Finally, prepare a change plan that targets the highest-risk unset options first. You will now fix groups of options. Begin with non-critical settings using a batch script or CLI automation so you reduce human error. Once the batch runs, validate results by re-exporting and diffing to confirm changes applied. Next, schedule a maintenance window for manual correction of critical options. Do not rush these. Use idempotent commands so repeated runs are safe, and include clear commenting in scripts to document why each option was set. Finish by rerunning the original listing to confirm all 162 options are set and match your baseline. This is your acceptance check. If a change breaks behavior, roll back using the backup snapshot and review change logs to pinpoint the trigger. When problems persist, isolate by reverting to last known good, and then reapply single option changes one at a time to find the culprit. A useful tip: enable verbose logging on the subsystem.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.